Everyone, I welcome you all in today's video. So all the first year MBBS student, I hope that you are figuring out how your college life is going. It might not be as per your expectation, but that's what is important, that you learn to survive what is there in that. So basically in today's video, today will be a very special video in which I have decided to share with you how to master biochemistry, and it will be all done in 20-25 pages, right? So what is the agenda? That biochemistry is a very volatile subject, although an art is the most volatile subject in first year, but you study an art more, so you retain it much better than biochem, because you study biochem only at the time of your unit test and at the time of final exam. So by that it becomes very zero, and the biochem is the only subject which I think is the most frightening for first year MBA student. So we will try to get an approach. So this is what approach is. Ki basically if you want to do anything, you have to do you have to dedicate some time on how to do it, right? So basically the smart work version is what we are delivering today, in which what I will do is I'll tell you how to summarize entire biochemistry in 20-25 pages, and then what you can do is you can make your own, like that entire notebook I'll tell you how to make your own if you have time. But if you don't know how to make, you want an overview that okay, this is a sample ki iske jaisa banana hai ya isi ko pad lena hai, then you can surely check out mine. The link is given below in the description, and then you will get a mail of the same in a PDF, and it will be a nice scanned version. What I have included in this document is basically sample photos, so this is not the quality will be much better there, but yes, this is just an overview. If you want to make your own, you are surely you can make your own. So I have divided the entire notebook into 6 parts, or you can say maybe 5 parts. Okay, so first part will be enzymology and basics, right? So this is what everything boils down to, because once we start we should know the basics also. So basics में आ गए इसके जो भी से सपोज अमाइनो एसिड सबका पूछते कौन से एसिडिक है कौन से बेसिक है उस टाइप से, तो वो वाली सारे बेसिक्स आपके, और एंजाइमोलॉजी, तो एंजाइमोलॉजी में जो जो भी, जैसे आपको को फैक्टर को एंजाइम कई बार कंफ्यूजन होता है कि इसका कौन सा को फैक्टर को एंजाइम है. सो इन 1 or 2 pages you will get the entire summary that okay, these are the important cofactors coenzyme of certain enzyme that have been asked maybe in your prof exam, or you should know in general, right? Then second part will be all metabolism in one place. Now this is a very special part. This is basically inspired by first aid. There's a book called First Aid. So basically if you see that all the parts that you study, all the metabolism that you study are all interlinked, right? So glucose, if you start studying the metabolism, so everything is interlinked. So in this what I have done is I have provided an overview that how glycolysis, from glycolysis to gluconeogenesis, everything, and I think approximately 10 to 12 pathways are all interlinked in this single in this single flow chart, and then it makes easy for you to understand that how the processes go individually. Once we are done with this entire metabolism in one places, we go to the individual pathway. So in the individual pathway what we do is कि basically we have provided maybe 1 page or half page to each cycle, and in that we have the cycle that you need to remember. So उसका crux जो आपको याद रखना है, पूरे नाम नहीं याद रखना है. जैसे if you don't need to remember 1,3-bisphosphonate gluconate, you have to just remember BPG, right? So that way it has been summarized, everything has been summarized, what are reversible, what are irreversible, what are the inhibitors, and so on. Energetic site, everything related to that cycle, which will help you in your prof exams to write the answer as well as in your MCQs, that has been summarized. So now see, we have gone to enzymes, we have gone through metabolism, we have gone through cycles. Now we have come to vitamins. So all the vitamins have been summarized in such a manner that all the clinical feature, deficiency, whatever key features are there in the MCQ to identify that particular vitamin deficiency have been given. So in that way you can also prepare your own vitamin chart when you have studied vitamin, or once you study from once you study from book, come here, read my summary, and then it will again help you in remembering things. Then fourth part is molecular biology. So molecular biology is more upon what are the tests which are done. Say restriction, fragment length, polymorphism is done. This is a procedure. So I have told you that okay, what it will detect, what it will not detect, what will be the procedure. Some certain remarks are there. There are microarray, there is fish, there are many techniques. So all the molecular biology has been summarized in 1 or 2 pages again. Okay, and then we come at last to previous year topics and miscellaneous. Okay, so when we come in the last to the previous year topics miscellaneous, these are some points which may be asked here and there, that okay, what are the products derived from glycine, maybe 1 mark question, 2 mark question in your short answer that can come. So this is where I have divided. Obviously now what I will tell you is that this is not a substitute of the main textbook or any of the textbook that you study. Okay, this is just an overview, and this has been kept concise in about 20-25 pages only. I have not made it bulky 100 pages so that आप ये पढ़ें या वो पढ़ें मैं कंफ्यूज हो. आप अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़ें, आप अपने क्लास में जो पढ़ाया है उसको पढ़ें. वंस यू आर डन, सपोज यू डिड वाइटामिन्स, आप आके इस 2 पेज को पढ़ लें, आपको काफ़ी कुछ क्लैरिटी मिल जाएगी. वंस यू आर डन विद मेटाबॉलिज्म, आप आके इसको पढ़ लें. आप या तो इसको पढ़ने से पहले एक ओवरव्यू ले लें कि कहाँ कहाँ क्या मेटाबॉलिज्म मिलना है, एंड देन अगेन ऑल द मेटाबॉलिक साइकिल्स. सो इन द नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल गिव एन ऑडियो बुक ऑफ द सेम, जिसमें मैं इसको एक्सप्लेन भी कर सकता हूँ, so that it becomes more easy for you to understand in the form of a lecture. So right now if you want this book, you can surely check out the link below. I think it will be provided right now. कब तक मिलेगी ये भी उसमें लिखा रहेगा, or within the day you will get the mail, so you can surely check that out, and then we can have more discussion on this particular subject, that is biochemistry, and we'll try to make it more easier for you. You can also follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy.